Hi YouTube, it's Alan Sugano. I'm the president of ADS Consulting Group, and today's topic is about our cloud service, ADS Cloud, and we actually include backup, so you don't have to build out your own backup infrastructure. We've had cloud now for over 10 years, and every single time without exception, we've been able to successfully restore without exception. And the reason why that is we have kind of a 4-tier backup strategy. We would have to suffer multiple simultaneous failures in order to lose the ability to do a restore. We follow a very robust backup infrastructure. I can't get into the details about it. If you're a client, of course, and you sign up with us, we'd be more than happy to share it with you. But the bigger issue here is the reason why we've been always able to successfully restore is we have layer upon layer upon layer upon layer for backups. We've never had a complaint that, Alan, that stuff was just way too easy to get back and what the heck, no, it's always, what do you mean you can't restore? What do you mean our backup failed? Who was supposed to be watching this? Aren't you watching this? I thought you were watching this. I'm like, oh my gosh. So I can say that, and this is IT 101, right? You can never, ever be too careful with backups. Nobody has lost their job because they were too careful with backups. Let's just throw that out there. So we also have the ability to archive backups if you want for forever. They're placed on a worm device, which is write once, read mostly. So once it's written, it stays there forever. If you're interested in our cloud infrastructure and you want to know more about it, you could send an email to info@adscon.com. We'd love to talk to you about it. It's something that we're very proud of, and we've had 100% uptime over the last 10 years. So, and we've also been able to restore when requested. So if you like this content, please boink at the subscribe button, boink at the like button. It does help out the channel. Thanks a lot for listening. Stay safe out there. We'll talk to you soon.